Yeah, I think the recirculation rob this bucket. Right, put our fans off. There's a part. I think I did. I'm going to remove this part. Okay, almost there. Right, just like this. Few screws, connectors. Yeah, I need to warn you that the screws are not easy to do though. Right, you have to remove that bolt. See that one? Under the tail as well. I think there's another 10 mils down there. I'm sure I can see. Yeah. I think I missed one screw. I think somewhere down there. Hard to show you guys. Somewhere there. Okay. It's almost there. I'll go remove this one. See if I can get past the. Right, so it kind of should go down this way. Okay, so I just need to go from there. Right, like this, and don't forget to disconnect the actuator here. Okay, I could have done that earlier, but yeah, it's fine, you know. I think that this was the problem. Can you see right here? Yeah. So it screws off. B, and right, there's the where it sits. Okay. That. So there's a stopper here. Shoot at this. Okay. I'm going to calibrate those actuators at this stage. So alright, this one's working. This one's working. This one's working. It's good, that one's working. This one's good. Okay. Now I'll go rescan, see if any fault goes. Right, now I only got one focal left, which is right because I didn't put back the actuator properly. So good. I'm resetting the actuators. Alright, let's go in there. Let's go there, go there. Now. Alright, so far so good. Right, it's not present. Oopsie. Oh, good. Put everything back. So now the cold, both is cold. So just last check. Okay, no focus. That's good there. So it should be good. Fixed. Yeah. It's warm here. Still cold that side. Let's see. Alright, also warm. Okay, good there.